It's called the FAST telescope, 500-meter aperture spherical telescope.
Oh,
That's
damn.
the acronym, FAST.
But if they know and they don't tell us, man.
Then they can they can have a whole
worried about
pact.
that.
And they say, we are the chosen ones and everyone else on Earth isn't. Send your ray beams to, I don't know what they're going to do. But there it is. We have another image.
Oh, we're fucked. Bro,
We're looking at the image on the screen. I visited that. We filmed there for Cosmos.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Bro, you got to hold on to that footage, bro.
Oh
because
my gosh.
we got to make this. Why don't we have anything like this?
Because we like to think of ourselves that we're Americans and we over history, we've been reactive to challenges from other countries, not proactive.
And what are we now as far as when it comes to challenges from outer space?
We have nothing that rivals that.
Wow.
At all.
So when it comes to space, we're not really the number
one.
No.
In space, in access to space. Plus, you have the billionaires' boys race that's up there.
Yeah.
And by the way, there's a whole chapter in here called Earth and Moon, where I just talk about the relationship between Earth and the moon and going to the moon. How we went to the moon to explore the moon, and we looked over our shoulder, and we discovered Earth for the first time, and it changed us. Between 1968 and 1972, do you know what happened? We saw the picture of Earthrise over the moon, and I claim that there was a firmware upgrade to our awareness in this universe. Because what happened immediately? By 1970, we founded the Environmental Protection Agency, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration that monitors climate and weather. We had the Comprehensive Clean Air Act, Clean Water Act. We banned leaded gas. We banned DDT. The first Earth Day was 1970.
Earth Day was pretty chill.
Okay, it's chill.
Yeah.
But if you ask any of them, well, why you have Earth Day now? Well, because it's the right thing to do. This is the firmware upgrade. They're not thinking space.
Right.
They're just thinking, obvious, we should. No, you know what else was going on in 1970? We were at war, hot war, cold war, campus unrest, civil rights movement. In 1968, 2 leaders were assassinated. 1971, was the shootings on Kent State campus. We had issues here on Earth. Don't tell me, it felt like the right time to protect Earth. We had other issues. Something else was operating in your brainstem that you weren't even aware of. That's the firmware upgrade.